3 quick and easy ways to create content. 3 quick and easy ways to create content. Quick and easy. And I promise they're quick and easy. They're not like, just a good headline and then nothing to show up after that. I'm going to deliver you some bombs. So make sure that you stay in there and you stay until the end of the list. There are 3 quick things that I want to share with you, plus a little bonus because I always like to give you some bonuses to you guys. So make sure you stay until the end. Now, number 1, memes. I love memes. I really love memes because, hey, they are funny and they are relatable if you use them correctly. So I posted a little example. You're going to see that one on my Instagram really soon. And actually, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process on how to create memes in seconds, and plus memes that are working at the moment. So make sure you stay until the end of the show if you want to see that. Now, why memes? Memes are basically like funny or relatable images that are popular and that you can add text on it, and that you will try to make it funny or relatable. That's one of the 2 angles I try to attack it. For example, in that say, like for the guys on Clubhouse, maybe you cannot see it, but I've got that image of DiCaprio with the, the champagne glass, like, how do you say that? Greeting somebody, and I put it, me when business owners launch their first sales funnels, and I created that piece of content to make it kind of funny, talking about that subject, and relatable as well. Like people that are going to launch their sales funnel will be like, oh yeah, like I feel great, you know what I mean? So that's what I mean by having content that's relatable and that is entertaining for your dream audience. But somebody that doesn't know anything about online marketing or what a sales funnel is will be like, hey, that's not for me. I don't like to see that guy often because he's not posting for me. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Remember, post for your lovers, not your haters. Now, second easy way to create content: quotes images. Quote images have been always a go-to. If you go back to the first day of Instagram and pretty much all social medias, they're extremely easy to do. Now, here for an example, I've got the Bruce Lee one. Hey, Bruce Lee once said, one of the best lessons you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm. Being calm is powerful. Like quotes like that, little images with like a simple text over it, they work like wonders. So maybe you can try to do that. You can try to do that with different angles. Maybe something that's inspirational. Maybe you can share something that's like a did you know? So if you want to share some information, that's can be a great angle. If you're not into inspiring people, maybe more sharing information. Hey, did you know that this thing? Did you know that you can? Things like that. That works as well a lot. Next one is or are text posts. Now you can go over and